I'm excited to bring you this video review of the Software Oasis course titled Data Insights Pro: Leverage Big Data for Growth. Together, we'll explore why this course is a game changer for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of big data and drive strategic growth. If you're ready to transform your business with actionable insights, you can start the course for free using the link below this video. Let's begin by addressing a common challenge. Traditional decision-making based on intuition often leads to inefficiencies like missed opportunities, slow responses to market changes, and limited scalability. Did you know that data-driven companies are 23 times more likely to acquire customers and achieve higher profitability? This course is designed to help you harness that competitive edge by leveraging big data effectively. With over 30 engaging lessons divided into 6 comprehensive modules, Data Insights Pro provides a step-by-step framework for mastering big data. You'll learn how to collect, analyze, and apply data insights to make smarter decisions and achieve measurable growth. Let's break down what you'll gain from each module. In Module 1, you'll dive into the big data landscape and understand why it's essential for modern businesses. You'll explore key concepts like scalability, the importance of structured and unstructured data, and how big data is transforming industries worldwide. Module 2 focuses on collecting and organizing your data efficiently. You'll learn how to set up robust data pipelines, pre-process raw information, and ensure your datasets are clean and ready for analysis. These foundational skills will save you time and ensure accuracy as you move forward. Module 3 is all about analyzing big data for actionable insights. You'll master tools like predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms that help uncover hidden patterns in your data. By the end of this module, you'll be equipped to turn complex datasets into clear strategies that drive growth. In Module 4, you'll learn how to visualize your insights by creating dashboards that enable faster decision-making. Imagine presenting your findings in a way that instantly highlights opportunities. This module makes it possible. Module 5 takes it a step further by showing you how to apply these insights strategically. You'll discover how to align your findings with business goals, optimize operations, and identify new revenue streams, all driven by data. Finally, Module 6 prepares you for the future by teaching you how to future-proof your big data strategy. You'll explore emerging trends like AI integration, adaptive analytics, and ways to stay ahead in an ever-evolving digital landscape. What sets this course apart is its practical approach. Throughout the modules, you'll work on real-world projects that simulate challenges faced by businesses today. For example, you'll create dashboards tailored to specific industries, develop predictive models that forecast trends, and implement strategies proven to deliver results. Picture this. In just a few weeks, you could go from struggling with raw data to confidently leveraging insights that drive measurable growth in your business. These aren't just theoretical concepts, they're actionable skills that students like you will be able to apply immediately after completing this program. If you're wondering whether Data Insights Pro is right for you, let me break it down. It's perfect for business leaders aiming to make smarter decisions with data-driven strategies, analysts looking to enhance their technical skills in big data processing and visualization, entrepreneurs seeking growth opportunities through actionable insights, or anyone ready to turn raw information into strategic advantage.